Guys, we are down here at the Bass Pro in the Smokies. We're just in here looking around. We finally got it down here this time, spring of 2025, and just looking to have some fun, so come with us. They have got all kinds of this camping food, freeze-dried food. My kids usually like getting these. They're pretty good. Mountain House and just several different ones. Now the ones that I like is Peak right down there. You can see some of the ones that they have there. Now I've had a couple of others over on my other channel that I'll link down below. They've got like a cobbler that's absolutely amazing. They've got a lot of these camp cups and plates too. These are I've never really carried these anytime I've been camping, but you know, it's usually a simpler kit that I would carry or something like that. Never really anything like that. Usually just paper plates or something would be what we would carry most times, because you can get a bag of those and disposable is easy. You just throw them out in the fire. But that's just personal opinion. Let me know yours down in the description below. There's your toilet paper for your campers, but I don't know, there's supposed to be something special about that or not. I think you're better off just going to the dollar store somewhere. That's my opinion. But then they got the hoses, the flush and everything. Rows and rows of guns. There's absolutely all kinds of outfits here for hunting. They got a lot of taxidermy stuff here too. Very cool. Some of your socks. Absolutely huge store. That bear over there on the side. If you need a new boat, they got you covered. I'd rather have a truck over there. We're down here for a few days, just out having some fun, and it's very windy, but a bad day here is better than a good day everywhere else, I guess. Anyways, on to the next stop. Spring 2025, and we are at Dollywood. There have been changes since the last year, so we're just going to go through here, check it out, and see what new stuff they got. Come with us. They always have stuff hanging here. They always change it with every one of the seasons. Check these out, guys. Okay, this is the new Dollywood experience. I've got a video on my channel showing what all's in there. Go over and check it out. This is basically telling the life of Dolly, and it's a great thing to go through. You definitely want to check it out if you come down here. Very cool, guys. You know, it's something that if you look up the history of Dolly Parton, now that tour bus, there's a lot more to it. They used to actually give you a lot of detail. They would take you in there and somebody would tell you the story of it. But I think now, with so many people trying to get on to see it, they don't do that as much, because it did take a lot longer back then. Right now we're over in Jukebox Junction, and I'm gonna go over and check out what they got here. There's Red's. If you want a good burger, there's the place to go. They got some great burgers in there, kind of a throwback diner. One of the gift shops here, High Octane. Howard's TV Repair. They got it fixed up kind of like a throwback 1950s, 60s era. Here's the lightning rod. This ride has had a lot of controversy. There's been a lot of issues with it. I think that they've completely done a lot of changes to it to try to have it more reliable. But it is one ride that I'll have to say I don't believe I'm going to be going on. Check this out. That's another thing about Dollywood too, is there's always all kinds of different concerts and shows and stuff inside the park. You don't have to pay extra, it's all included with your pass, and that's one of the great things about it too. Come to the Smokies, that's one way to save some money. That area there at one time was the entrance down into the country fair, but they've changed it and they've moved it over towards this way. They've kind of eliminated the hill, and that way it's a little bit easier for a lot of folks to be able to get down there. And I know that most of y'all that have been here remember the way that that hill was. So it's kind of steep. You had some folks that tended to struggle, you know, elderly and things like that. So now they've moved it, and we're currently going over behind the carousel. So that is one of the changes that they have made here to the park. A whole new entrance to it. Here it is. It's a different walkway through here. Kind of zigzags back and forth. They've changed this whole area. Back years ago, there used to be a roller coaster right here. They've got a splash area now. A little bit cool for that, but today, but hey, you never know. With your tasting pass, this is one of the things you can get. This is a barbecue chicken melt. I've seen that, and I definitely wanted to try it. In fact, that's what we're all getting. But it looks real good. Grist mill, it's always one of the centerpieces of Dollywood. You can go in there and you can get some of that cinnamon bread, and I'm telling you, that is some great stuff. If you've never had it, you need to try it. This church is named after the doctor that delivered Dolly. You can see here they actually do have a service here every week, and let's just go in and check it out. Blazing Fury is currently closed. They're going to be doing some renovation work on it. They're actually going to be bringing the water back toward the end of the ride. You're actually going to get a splash and at the end of the ride, like it used to be originally. But that'll be for warmer weather. Currently up in Gatlinburg by the village, and of course we had to go in and visit the donut fryer, get some hot chocolate. Doesn't matter that it's nice 70 degrees out at the moment, you still got to have some hot chocolate from the donut fryer. We're in here now in the Mountain Mall, and one thing about it is the way that it smells. You got this leather shop in here on just literally, it's basically this whole floor is just this one leather shop, and it just smells great, like the smell of leather. There's also down on the lower end, they've got this pizza place down there. As soon as you walk in, if you're hungry, I mean, it's just going to be screaming at you. Hadn't gotten anything, we had a big breakfast, but still, it smelled great. Whenever you come to the Smokies, you're always going to see stuff from Dolly Parton. All kinds of cool shops in here. eat before you come down here, because I'm telling you, you're going to gain 20 pounds. Check these out. Down here at Annie Ann's. It's just one of the many places here on the strip. We get something to eat in Gatlinburg. I'm currently carrying something from Fanny Farkle's. That was something that we just had to stop and get. Smoked sausage right here. Of course, you got to come down to the island. There's all kinds of little places down here. Weather's nice. Rides for the kids, just all kinds of stuff. Let's check it out. Candy apples. Check these out. There's so many different flavors down here. Guys, you got to come down to the Smoky Mountain Knife Works. It just would not be a trip to the Smokies without stopping here. The only question is, how much money am I going to end up spending? Usually end up spending some. That's right. I've got a few of the Benchmade knives. They are great. Very nice. Check out this Microtech. That's another good knife company. I've got the MSI. It's a great knife. This whole upper section here is just clothes. I got all kinds of different style, grunt style, Under Armour, all kinds of stuff. I'm not sure when they added this section of the store, but it's nice. You can see the Benchmade area there. Microtech areas over to the left. I haven't been by there. Ended up getting something. I'll show y'all later. Down in the relic room, just all kinds of stuff. These rocks. I'm telling you, this place has got everything. And when I say they got everything down here in the relic room, I'm telling you guys, this place is a museum. They've got old medals, war trophies, helmets, just everything down here. Just look at some of this other stuff. Fossils. This is why I always want to come down here to Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Check those out. I want to bet that guy didn't feel too good. You see the hole right there in that helmet. Yeah. Artifacts from the 18th and 19th century. Check these out. Artifacts in here from the Titanic, as well as some of the more, I guess you could say, Hollywood stuff. But then they do have some actual artifacts. Alright guys, that is the Smoky Mountain Knife Works, and they did get some of my money. Go over to my other channel and check it out there. I'll show you guys what I got. I don't put that on this channel because of YouTube. Since we're on our way back home, we had to make a stop at Buc-ee's. Go ahead and fill up with gas, get a snack, and get back home. Anyways guys, hope you liked the video. Be sure to check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Check out all the links down below. Help support the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.